You are welcome to this video. My name is Aya Susanna and I'll be taking you through this tutorial. Today we are going to talk about animations. Alright, we're talking about animations in PowerPoint. Without further ado, let's get started. So animations, or animation rather, is a technique of making inanimate objects or drawings appear to move in motion pictures. Alright, appear to move in motion pictures or computer graphics. Alright, that's its term an animation. Right, this sound more like grammar. So what's animation now practically? Let's see. Alright, we talked about transition. Alright, we talked about transition. There's a difference between transition and animation actually. So what's the difference between transition and animation? Notice something. This is transition. Alright, this is transition, the changing from one slide to another. Alright, it's called transition. Alright, you can see it. Alright, but I had animation. I noticed something again. This is animation. Alright, that particular slide, an object in that particular slide, let's say a text or a shape moving from one position to another in that same slide. Alright, why a transition is the change from one slide to another. Alright, changing from one slide to another. Animation is that very particular slide. Alright, an object in that particular slide moving or just having life. Let me put it like that too. Right, so we have slide 3. We have my slide 3. Okay, you see, this is a particular slide, but this is an object coming downward, all right, to come to the center actually. So this is animation. So how do we insert this whole animation thing, or how does it come about? All right, there's such thing called an animation. All right, animation, see it here. We have home, insert, design, transitions, animations. All right, when you come here, you see all the options in this ribbon that this ribbon opens to. Okay, so before you have an animation, you must have a content. You can see. All right, so when I click anywhere around the stage, all right, so it doesn't select any, it doesn't load any of the animations menu, but the moment I click on any content, you see that this gets activated per se. Let's put it like that. So alright, so I've created this, right, animations. Alright, the name of this animation is wheel. You notice. So let's preview it, see what it does. You see, a wheel is more of like a circle. Alright, you see. Alright, that's the name of this animation. It's called a wheel. Alright, so when you hover on animation, you slide down and choose from the several animation options you have. All right, so let's use these loops and see. All right, you can see, and then notice there's a duration here. How many second do you want it to be this lively? It kind of, so let's say 7 seconds, so that the delay will afford us the opportunity, the duration rather, and then this delay, let's say 3 seconds. Wait for 3 seconds before you play. All right, so if we preview, and then let's make a custom part here. So preview, when we preview, it delays for 3 seconds, and then after 3 seconds, you see, this is called an animation. All right, so this is a loop. It comes forward and goes backward, a kind of. So let's preview it again. So you see, all right, so that's it. There's something called effect options here. All right, do you how do you want it? Do you want it like more of an S form, or let's use this scribble? It's more technical. So how do you want it? Let's see. So you can see this now. When you click here, when you click here now, it tells you that, wow, This one is really really funny. All right, it tells you, okay, this is where you want it. Slide one, slide two, slide one, slide one, slide one. Okay, this is how you want it. All right, that's all right. Okay, so but we kind of undo this now. We can undo this, and then we see we want to go back to just loops. All right, we want to go back to loop, maybe the effects now. All right, let's keep uh a horizontal. Let's see if it works. Right, a horizontal loop. I guess this one might not actually work because of the kind of content. Wow, it did work. It did work. Okay, so let's preview it again. It has a delay of 3 seconds and before the duration of 2 seconds. All right, so that's it about animation. Same thing for slide 2. Slide 2 animation effect is uh let me see. Slide 2 animation effect is actually bounce. It's called bounce. Okay, so let's preview it. Let's see how it operates. So you know, just like something bouncing, a ball bouncing. All right, so and then we have slide 3 animation here. All right, let's preview it. So this is called flying. Okay, and there's such thing like floating too. Right, so let's preview floating. There's difference between flying. Flying, it starts from the very bottom, while floating just somewhere from the middle, but then not the middle. Wow, I hope you understand though. Okay, there's something called split. This split is actually amazing, right? This has real life application. All right, it's a real life application, but it needs you to think, okay, how can I apply this in my presentation that makes my presentation look so professional and look um a premium, a kind of. So but this is just a kind of a basic course, basic teaching about the whole operation of animation. So this is called random. All right, I think I love this so much. Random. So if you feel it's too fast, you could just come here and then let's set this for 6 seconds. Right, no delay, just 6 seconds. So it takes the entire 6 seconds. Let it preview. Right, so you see it will take 6 seconds and 50 milliseconds. Okay, so basically that's it about animation. All right. The these are very important time, the duration and the delay duration, um the seconds it will take it to display, and you get become dramatic. Why this delay? Immediately I hit preview, the second or the time it takes to rest, it delays basically rest. Okay, I hit on preview. Okay, 3 seconds later before it starts. All right, so it doesn't take us unaware, kind of. So we'll have to prepare our mind to for what is coming actually before it comes. All right, so that's it about animation. All right, that's it about animation. It might sound a bit confusing. It might look a bit wow, scary, but then with time, when you practice more, practice makes for perfection. Thank you for staying through till the end of this course. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe and stay out of trouble.